Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well. So, let us start with English grammar, the fourth chapter, that is noun numbers, on page number 15. Now, this nouns number, this is not a new topic for you, it was already there in the last grades. Now, when you were in first and second, this topic was known as one or more than one. When you came further, that is in fifth or sixth, at that time you were same topic was shown to you or taught to you by giving the name as singular and plural. So now in standard 7, then again the topic name is changed, that is nouns number, but the material in that is same. So let us see. A noun that denotes only one person or thing is said to be of the singular number. Now, as you already know that if only one person is there, that is known as singular number, singular noun, that is singular number, okay, and more than one is known as what? Plural. So here it is described as plural number. So see, a noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be of plural numbers, okay. Now there are some formation, how to make the plural singular, how to make the plural. This is given in this, we will see it. Okay, let us start. The plural of noun are formed in different ways. Given below are some ways of forming the plurals. Okay, so let us start with the first one. See here, simple first one is simple one, that is fruit, in plural from fruits, S. House, houses, S. Toy, toy, toys, toys. So simply S is put over here. See, most noun from the plural form the plural by adding S into the singular form. Okay, this was the rule 1. Now we will see for rule 2. Nouns ending in X. Nouns ending with X means the words which ends with X, SH, S or CH form their plurals by ending ES to the singular form. If in singular form the words ends with X, for example fox, FOX, fox. So when we will make it plural, FOXES, foxes, we have to put what? ES. If the word ends with SH or S or CH, then the plural form will be what? We have to add ES. Let us see the example. See over here. BOX, box. BOXES, boxes. BUSH, bush, bushes. BUSHES, okay. CLASS, class, double S, classes, ES, okay. BENCH, bench. BENCHES, benches. I hope you have understood this, okay. Let us see the third rule. Noun ending in Y and preceded by a constant, drop the Y and adds IES to the singular form. Now there are some nouns which ends with what? Y and precedes by a constant drop, and before Y there is what? A constant, and it is what? Drop the Y. The drop Y is what? Drop, and add IES to the singular form. When at that time we have to add what? IES. See now this, lady, lady. See, this Y is not pronounced, but lady, D is what? A constant sound. So ladies, LADIES. You have to put what? You have to remove that Y and you have to put what? IES. Ferry, ferry. See, Y is not pronounced over there. Ferry, re. So ferries, IES. You have to remove this Y and put IES, okay. Country, countries. Let us see the fourth rule. Nouns ending in Y and precedes by a vowel form their plurals by adding S to the singular form. Now there are some nouns which ends with Y but precedes by a vowel. See, here it was constant and here it is vowel, okay. So for their plurals by adding s to the singular form. Then we can put what? S. Okay, so let us see over here. Examples: monkey, monkey. E vowel, na, it is a vowel sound. A E I O U. So monkey, monkeys. S, you have to put y also, just you have to put what? S. Key, keys. Chimney, chimneys. Okay, now let's see the fifth rule. Nouns ending in f or fe, change the f or fe into v and add es to form of plural. Now if the noun is ending with word f or fe, okay, first we have to change this f with what? F or fe will change into v, and then we have to add es, okay, to form plural. Let us see the example. thief, thief. Okay, now here ef is there, so what will be the change? First f will be changed into what? V. Okay, so here thie, same spelling, then f will change into v, and then we have to put what? Es. Okay, now see here, fe, knife, fe is there, so we have to change what? This fe into what? V. Okay, f will change into v. knives, knives. Okay, so let us see the sixth example. Some nouns ending in f form their plurals by simply adding s to the singular. Now there are some nouns which ends with what? F. Okay, then we have to make it plural by simply putting s. Now see this: proof, proofs. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Okay, now next, nouns ending in o usually forms the plural by adding es to the singular. So here nouns ending in o usually form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Now there are some words which ends with what? O, usually form the plurals by adding es. We have to add what? Es. For example, tomato, tomatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Okay, hero, heroes. So o, we have to add what? If the noun ends with o, we have to add es. Okay, next, some nouns form their plurals by changing their inside vowels. There are some nouns in which the spelling, to form plural we have to change the spellings. And what is the changes? For their vowels. Okay, now for example, goose, see, double o, this is vowel, but it has changed into geese. Man, man. A is vowel, here e. Louse, louse, louse. Lice, lice, lice. Okay, now next one, compound noun from their plurals by adding s to the principal word. Now there are compound nouns, that is compound words, two words. Okay, so that is known as compound word. So compound nouns from their plurals by adding s to the principal word, means we have to add s to the principal word. Let us see what is that. See, mother-in-law and maid servant. Now see, your answer for mother-in-law is mothers-in-law. So mother is principal word, so here we have to put s. Okay, now here maid servant, so maid servants, s. Understood? Come to page number now 16. Singular, plural. Now here some words borrowed from foreign language form their plurals in various ways as shown. There are some words which are borrowed from what? Foreign languages. Okay, and form their plurals in various ways as shown. Let us see. Formula, formulae, LAE. Okay, genus, generi, crisis, crisis, radius, ready, vertex, vertice, stimulus, stimuli, syllabus, syllabi. Okay, now some words have the same form for the singular and the plural. There are some words which have same form for singular also and plural also. For example, ship, ship, deer, deer, fish, fish, swine, swine, salmon, salmon. We can't put s over here. Okay, now next one, some words are used only in plural form. There are some words which we can always use in which form? Plural form. So singular form is not there. Scissors, spectacles, trousers and socks. Okay, now let us see the next. Some words are used only in singular form. Okay, there are some words which we can use only in singular form, and that is physics, mathematics, politics, news, innings. Okay. Now irregular forms, there are some of the nouns which are irregular in form. For example, child, children, ox, oxen. Okay, I hope you have understood here. So let us start with exercise. Question number 1, complete the table with the correct plural form of the word. Okay, see, first one is done over here. Category, see, y was there, so y is changed into ies. Okay, now o is there, so you have to put only what the last word is, the last letter is o, so here you have to write only p h o t o s, photos. Okay, now see here, f is there, so it will change into c a l v e s, calves. This is v, huh? So f has changed into v. Okay, now your opportunity, I is there, so we have to write o double p o r t u n i t i e s, opportunities. Y will change into ies. Okay, so you have to do this remaining all